Hey everyone, my name is Shai and today I'm super excited to share the release of a new RayWenderlich.com book titled Expert Swift. This is one of the most ambitious books I've had the privilege to work on, trying to squeeze as much invaluable advanced information about Swift into a single book. If you know our books, you'll know we usually have a hard limit of 20 pages per chapter, but for this specific book, we doubled this limit to about 40 pages per chapter, just so we have enough capacity to really dive deep into all of these super interesting dark corners of Swift. After this introductory video, I'll post 4 additional short videos in reply to this thread to tell you about each of the 4 chapters that I've specifically worked on: Codable, Functional Reactive Programming, Objective-C Interoperability, and API Design Tips and Tricks. Aside for these 4 chapters, there are 10 additional chapters on some incredibly interesting topics by the talented Ray Fix, Marin Benchevic, and Ehab Almer, totaling 14 chapters. If you want to support our work, check out this new book at expertswift.xyz.